EVS class, and today here we are with a new lesson of your EVS book, and it is chapter number 7, that is houses around us. Okay, so children, before we begin the lesson, everybody be front of your book, okay, and open page number 39. All right. Okay, so in this chapter we are going to talk about houses that we are surrounded by. So let us first know what is a house. House মানে কি? বাড়ি, ঠিক আছে? So a house is a place where we live. We live with our family. So it can be a big family, a large family, or a small family that you have read in previous class, right? So children, in a house we live with our family. House that we live in is called our home. So this is my home and that is your home, isn't it? Okay. Our house keeps us safe. In what ways? It protects us from heat. It protects us from cold. Protect মানে আমাদেরকে এটা রক্ষা করে, বাঁচিয়ে রাখে। From wind, from rain, from animals and from thieves. তাহলে কি হলো? আমাদের বাড়ি আমাদেরকে কি ভাবে প্রোটেক্ট করে? From very heat and cold. যখন বাইরে অনেক বেশি গরম থাকে বা ঠান্ডা থাকে, we stay in our home, right? And it protects us from wind and rain. যখন বাইরে অনেক বেশি হাওয়ার বেগ থাকে, তখন what we do? We stay in our house. যাতে হাওয়াতে আমাদের উড়িয়ে না নিয়ে যায়, right? Okay. Protects us from animals and thieves. So how? ধরো যখন বাইরে কোনো পশু বা thieves means যে চুরি করে, okay? So তাদের কাছ থেকে আমাদের বাঁচিয়ে রাখে, okay? So if we stay in a house, we will be protected from all these things. Understood? Okay. So let me revise again. House is a place where we live. It protects us from heat, from cold, from wind, from rain, from animals and from thieves. Got it? Now students, we will talk about types of houses. So you can see on the board, there are two types of houses. What are they? They are Pakka house and a Kacha house. Pakka house, Kacha house. Okay? So, what is a Pakka house and what is a Kacha house? A Pakka house is made of bricks, steel and cement, whereas Kacha house is made up of mud and straw. So what are all these things? These bricks, steel, cement, এগুলো কি? These are all raw materials need to build a house. এগুলো হচ্ছে সেই সমস্ত জিনিস যেগুলো দিয়ে একটা বাড়ি বানানো হয়, okay? So your house is made up of all these things. You know, my house is also made up of all these things. Understood? So I will show you some pictures. What are all these? Okay? Next point is they are very strong. Pakka house are very strong, whereas, Kacha house are not very strong. Why? It is because এই যে জিনিসগুলি আমরা দেখলাম, ব্রিক্স, স্টিল, সিমেন্ট, এগুলো বাড়িকে অনেক শক্ত করে রাখে, মজবুত করে রাখে। Okay, and the buildings, and the house which is made up of mud and straw are not so strong. কেন? Because mud হচ্ছে কাদা, straw is a dried twigs or grass, শুকনো ঘাস বা বিচুলি। তো now you think if a house is made up of mud and straw, তাহলে তো পরে কি হবে? ভেঙে যাবে। Okay, whereas পাক্কা house will not do that. ঠিক আছে? So this is very strong and that is not so strong. Got it? Look at your book. There is a picture of a pakka house. Many pictures of pakka house. See? These are some examples of pakka house and this is an example of kacha house. Okay? So I will show you a lot of pictures. How pakka house looks and how kacha house looks. Okay? Let us discuss the third point. Some examples are bungalow, building. So bungalow and building are examples of pakka house, and hut মানে কুড়ে ঘর which is made up of mud and straw is an example of kacha house. Understood everybody? Okay, now let me show you some pictures on it. Okay, so now you have understood the types of houses. Now houses have two types of roofs. What are those? Flat roofs and sloping roofs. What are these? Flat roofs means the roofs মানে ছাদটা is a flat surface, okay? And in the mountainous areas মানে যেখানে পাহাড়, in those places the roof of the house is like this. And why it is so? It is because when the snow or rain falls, it glides off easily. যখন পাহাড়ে বরফ পড়ে বা বৃষ্টি হয়, it will fall down easily. Understood? The sloping roof and the flat roof. Now children, in a house there are many rooms. I hope you know. What are the types of rooms we will now study? We have a kitchen. Kitchen is a place where your mother cooks for you very tasty dishes. And next, the bathroom. So this is a room where we take bath, right? Next comes the bedroom. Bedroom is the place where we sleep and rest. আমরা যেখানে ঘুমোই আর আরাম করি। The next is the dining room where we take our meals. The 3 meals of the day you have read about. They are the breakfast, the lunch and the dinner. So we should always sit and eat in the dining room, right? And you must be doing that every day. Koro to? Boshe boshe khao to? Yes. And I know many of the students have this bad habit of watching the mobile while taking your food. Tomra koro na to? Korle kintu khub baka debo ami. Okay? So don't do that. Khabe tarpore sob kichu. Okay? Okay. Now next point is drawing or living room. We call this room living room, also a drawing room. So what is that? In this room we relax and sit. যেখানে আমরা বসে গল্প করি, we spend time with our family, our friends, our brothers or sisters. We watch TV. Okay, so these are the activities we do in a drawing room or a living room. So let us revise the rooms what we have learned. Kitchen, bathroom, bedroom, dining room and drawing or living room. Got it? So students, we have come to know about the many rooms in our house, and apart from those rooms we have many more rooms. Okay, maybe যে rooms গুলো আমরা দেখেছি তার থেকে অনেক বেশি rooms হতে পারে. Okay, so it depends. Okay, now we will talk about taking care of our rooms. কিভাবে আমরা আমাদের এই রুমগুলি যত্ন নেব. We should help our family members to keep the house clean. And how to do that? We should help them in their activities. Like when we are done with our playing or with our study, we should arrange all those things, our books and toys, in their places. এভাবে কি করতে পারি? We can help our parents, we can help our brothers or sisters to keep our home clean. Next is we should not litter the house. Litter মানে এদিক ওদিক ময়লা ফেলে রাখা উচিত না. Okay, so suppose if you have eaten a chocolate, what you do? You have finished the chocolate, you throw away the wrapper, আর কাগজটা ওখানেই পড়ে থাকে. So I know you don't do that, and if you do, please do not do that from the next time. Okay, যেখানকার জিনিস সেখানেই ফেলতে হয়. So to do that, we should use a dustbin. We have seen in every room or every home we have a dustbin, and you must have seen in that your classroom too. তোমরা নিজেদের ক্লাসেও দেখেছো একটা ডাস্টবিন আছে, right? So whenever you had your tiffin or whenever you used to sharp your pencil, what you used to do? তোমরা কি করতে? You had sharpened your pencil and you had throw away those waste in the dustbin. So in the same manner, in your home, you should use a dustbin to throw all those useless things or all those wastes যেগুলো আমরা প্রয়োজন নেই আর in the dustbin. And we should keep the dustbin covered. আমাদের কি করা উচিত? সেই ডাস্টবিনের মুখটা ঢেকে রাখা উচিত. And why? It is because we get a bad smell once the waste that are kept in the dustbin for a long time. একটা বাজে দুর্গন্ধ বেরোয়. So and in this way disease can spread. Okay, so you should always cover the lid of the dustbin. So apart from these things, we can decorate our houses. আমরা আমাদের বাড়ি সাজিয়ে রাখতে পারি কিভাবে? We can hang paintings, we can hang pictures, we can hang flowers or leaves or in any way you wish to. দেখবে অনেকের বাড়িতে ফুল দিয়ে সাজানো থাকে বা পেইন্টিংস থাকে, or you can hang your pictures too, your family members, যা কিছু, okay? So this is how we should take care of our room, and we should always help our parents, our brothers and sisters, our friends to keep their house and also our house clean. বুঝা গেল what I taught today? So children, we are done with today's lesson. What the things we have learned today in this lesson is that the values and life skills, that we should keep our homes clean and help our parents to do that. We should keep the things that are not in use in their proper places, and along with that we should not litter the floor. Got it? So your task is that you will go through the chapter very well, and very soon I will be uploading another video for a reading session that you need to follow. And for now on, for the time being, you can go through this tutorial and look out the board works that I have written that I've done in the class. Okay, you will be assigned to do some of the tasks later that I will post in the WhatsApp. And after that we will be going through this lesson as we are moving. You will be notified each and everything for that. Lastly, I would like to thank each and every parent sitting out there who are watching this video. It is because of you that we are able to teach our child in such a way that it is totally different from classroom scenario. So thanks a lot for all this, because without you it was really not possible to do this process. So hope to meet you soon, and I would like to say all the children very best of luck for your upcoming exams. খুব ভালো করে পড়াশোনা করো, যেমন করে করছো. You are each and every very good students. So meet you in the next video. Till then, keep learning. All right, bye bye.